Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Civ V. To begin, select a civilization and leader, each offering distinct advantages. Your initial turns involve exploring the map to locate an ideal spot for your first city, considering resources and defensive terrain. Focus on constructing a scout to uncover more of the world and a settler to establish your second city quickly. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and the 5 main victory conditions. In the early game, expanding your empire is crucial. Found new cities near valuable resources and defensive positions to maximize growth. Within your cities, prioritize building essential structures like granaries and libraries to boost food and science output. Researching new technologies is vital for unlocking powerful units and buildings. Remember to manage your population and maintain high happiness levels to avoid penalties and ensure productivity. As you enter the mid-game, diplomacy becomes increasingly important. Form alliances or declare war based on your strategic goals. Develop a strong military to defend your borders or conquer rival cities, ensuring you have a balanced army. Decide whether to focus on cultural influence to attract tourists or scientific breakthroughs to reach space. Establish trade routes to generate significant gold and acquire valuable resources from other empires. In the late game, your focus shifts entirely to achieving one of the 5 victory conditions. Whether it's domination, science, culture, diplomacy, or time, commit fully to your chosen path. Deploy advanced units and leverage cutting-edge technologies to gain a decisive advantage over your rivals. Continuously adapt your strategy to counter any threats or opportunities presented by other civilizations. Secure your victory before any other empire can achieve theirs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.